Many of the bottom freezer and top freezer GE refrigerators use a horizontal GSWF water filter for the ice and water filtration system. On bottom freezer models, the correctly installed filter will have a horizontal grip. On top freezer models, the correctly installed filter will have a vertical grip. There may be a small amount of water that drips from the filter head once the filter is removed. You may want to place a towel under the filter head to catch any falling water. To remove the filter, gently turn it counterclockwise approximately a quarter of a turn until the filter comes loose. If the GSWF filter seems difficult to remove, you can try the following steps. If the filter has recently been installed, purge the water system of air by dispensing 1 full glass of water. Then try to remove the filter. If you are still having difficulty, remove the shelf below the filter. Also, remove the filter cover to allow for a better grip on the filter. Using both hands, gently turn the filter counterclockwise approximately a quarter of a turn until the filter comes loose. To install a new GSWF filter, place the filter into the filter head and gently turn clockwise approximately a quarter of a turn until you feel the filter lock into place. Reinstall the filter cover and shelf. To purge air from the water system, dispense water into a glass for 3 minutes, dumping the water each time the glass becomes full.